Hello, welcome to 2021. This is our video edition to our tips for January. Our first two tips were cleansing and consistency, and that brings you to growth and real change. But what many people don't think about is that there needs to be a little bit of gestation time when people actually see the growth. Much like the tower garden, and when I tell many new tower gardeners, when they plant new plants, you expect to see results right away. But in the case of a tower garden, when you plant it, it's about 2 weeks before you really see anything. It doesn't mean nothing's happening. It just means it's all happening underneath the surface. In this case, it helps to grow roots. But in our case, when we are actually achieving real growth through consistency and cleansing and goal setting and things like that, what we do in the new year, it's super powerful to realize that growth is happening even though the people in your outside world don't necessarily see that right away. So it's happening. Let's do this. Keep up on those goals, stay consistent, and let's make 2021 the best year yet.